Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the GoodBarber platform. Here's my take on GoodBarber, a no-code mobile app development platform. GoodBarber empowers individuals and businesses to craft professional-grade mobile applications without requiring advanced coding skills. It presents a compelling solution for small businesses, agencies, content creators, and e-commerce entrepreneurs eager to enhance their mobile presence. A key strength of GoodBarber lies in its extensive library of templates and deep customization options. Regardless of whether you're developing a content-focused app, a community platform, or an e-commerce solution, the design tools provide the flexibility to meticulously tailor every aspect to align perfectly with your brand identity. Essential features like push notifications, CMS integration, and social media sharing are seamlessly integrated, ensuring your audience remains actively engaged. Furthermore, robust analytics tools offer valuable insights into app performance and user behavior, all accessible directly from the dashboard. For e-commerce ventures, GoodBarber truly shines. It provides features like multiple payment gateways, streamlined order management tools, and robust product catalog customization capabilities. If your focus is on building a community-driven app, you'll find value in features such as user authentication, comment moderation, and streamlined content submission processes. The platform's support for progressive web apps, PWAs, enables you to create applications that function flawlessly across both web and mobile environments. GoodBarber's user-friendly design makes it an ideal choice for beginners. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface simplifies the entire design process. Meanwhile, a comprehensive knowledge base and readily available customer support ensure that assistance is always within reach. For developers seeking more advanced customization, API integration options are available. GoodBarber further streamlines the app development journey by handling the often complex app submission process for both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. In summary, GoodBarber strikes an excellent balance between ease of use, rich functionality, and professional-grade features. It's particularly well-suited for individuals and small to medium-sized businesses looking to establish a polished, mobile-first presence without the need to hire dedicated developers. With its competitive pricing and commitment to continuous updates, GoodBarber is definitely a platform worth exploring for your mobile app development needs. If building a mobile app is a serious goal, GoodBarber might just be the perfect tool you've been searching for. Check it out via the links in the description below.